You know, it's crazy looking back at the last year or year and a half of my life, how such basic habits have completely elevated everything in my lifestyle, like how I feel, how I look, and most importantly, my overall health. These are such basic habits that any guy can implement into your day-to-day routine that most guys don't know about. And I'm going to share that with you today. So if that sounds interesting, let's hop into this video. So the first thing you want to think about is your actual mindset and where you are mentally. Are you mentally checked in? Are you in it to win it? You know, these are things you have to ask yourself at the beginning and start to implement these little things. Assessing the space around you, in and around, how organized it is, and if it isn't, start organizing things to clarify your space and clarify your head. It makes you feel a lot better, and you will start to get a lot more things done, and you will feel better about yourself overall. In doing this, it really starts to set the precedence to clear your mind mentally and your body physically. And now you'll be able to start implementing small changes into your daily routine on a day-to-day basis. Research shows that 10% of the way that we look at ourselves is from the outside, and 90% of the way that we assess ourselves is from the inside. So going on, things like long nature walks, listening to music, writing, or just simple things like exercise really helps change our perspective from that aspect. It's all about really just accepting where you are and just starting from there. There's no use looking in the past or looking so far into the future that you can't see. It's all about small, simple steps and setting goals and your objectives in the right way. Number 2, to change your life, you have to start changing your priorities. So giving up on all of those bad habits and making room for new ones is key for us to be able to start evolving. We are all creatures of habit, and we all know what our bad habits are, so writing them down to make room for new, happier, healthier habits is key to start the process. Remember to incrementally introduce these smaller habits into your daily routine. These smaller habits will create bigger, better lifestyle choices and habits along the way for you to live a happier, healthier life. My number 3, guys, is to be learning something new each and every day. There are so many ways to be growing your knowledge and your skill set. It could be as easy as just picking up a book or learning a new skill at work. It could be listening to a podcast or watching a YouTube video or listening to some sort of TED Talk, playing sports, and or picking up some sort of new hobby that you may be interested in. These are all ways to better spend your time and live a healthier lifestyle and to grow as a person. I would say for yourselves to take some time and pause each and every day to reflect on the positive. Speaking about positivity and dropping those bad habits for newer, healthier ones moving forward, make it a priority in your day-to-day routine to start implementing, exercising, and or working out at least 3 to 4 times a week. This will immediately start to make you feel better about yourself. Your physical appearance is obviously going to change. You're going to start to smile more and just an overall better feeling. Your brain releases endorphins and serotonin, which improves your memory and your gut health, amongst many other benefits that you can find in one of my videos up here in the cue card. Which moves me into my last point, guys. My number 5, the most important, and that is fueling your body with the right type of food. Trust me when I say this, your hair, your skin, and your brain and your overall body will definitely thank you for this going down the road. 80% of the battle is won when you eat the right food that we ingest on a daily basis to living a healthier lifestyle. You cannot expect to live and be healthy if you're eating the wrong types of foods each and every day. I always try to remember the rainbow in my diet on a day-to-day basis and try to eat as many colors as I possibly can, thus giving me the most energy and the most out of my day of what I really want to get. And remember, portion control here is a big one, and not to forget, of course, to treat yourself once in a while. That is a big thing, so you don't go off the deep end. That does it for me today, guys. Thanks again, as always, for watching. Subscribe down below if you haven't already, and we'll see you guys next time.